Hello everyone! Welcome to our Minimalist Setup YouTube channel. Fractal has unveiled the Fractal Mood PC case, its latest innovation designed to streamline and enhance your gaming experience. This compact case features a space-saving column design, making it ideal for gamers looking to optimize their workspace by minimizing desk space. The body is crafted from breathable fabric, and its clean lines and color palette blend seamlessly into any interior. Design. At first glance, the Mood looks more like a large, high-end smart speaker than a typical PC case, but that's not an exaggeration. I love its design, which adapts to any environment. Like a computer that transforms like a chameleon, it blends seamlessly into any space: gaming room, office, lounge, etc. In fact, I think it looks even better next to the TV than the PlayStation 5. The fabric exterior offers a beautiful aesthetic. The sample comes in gray, a perfect shade for millennial minimalists, but a black version is also available. Fractal Design has put a lot of effort into the finish. Specifications. Measuring 212 millimeters in length and width, the Mood is compact, but its impressive 453 millimeters height puts it on par with competing cases, including the Corsair 2000D RGB Airflow. The mere millimeters of height on the base provides ample room for cable routing at the rear. Fractal Design also offers a generous array of front I/O ports. Specifically, the Mood offers two USB 3.0 Type-A ports, one USB 3.2 Gen 2 by 2 Type-C port, and a 3.5mm combo jack. Weighing 4.6 kilograms, the Mood is compact and lightweight. While the finished product is significantly heavier due to the components, its starting weight is quite satisfactory. As expected from its rectangular shape, it's easy to handle. Performance. The same fan curve was applied to the CPU cooler and 180mm exhaust system, with RPMs automatically adjusted based on CPU temperature. This resulted in near-silent operation at 32 decibels A at idle. Naturally, noise levels rise to 49 decibels A during gaming, with Cinebench 2024 reaching a maximum of 60 decibels. Overall, as long as temperatures are well controlled, the noise levels are quite tolerable. Easy to install and use. One of the most striking features of the Fractal Mood PC case is its user-friendly design. The back panel is easily removable, allowing you to slide the fabric-lined case aside to fully access the interior. This makes component installation and maintenance a breeze. The case accommodates graphics cards up to 325 millimeters in length, connected using the included PCIe 4.0 riser cable. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe to our channel.